Okay, good work tips. Now I show people when I've done well. It's also important to show people when I've made mistakes. That's the only way we learn. It's what you do and how you put it right. Now there's 4 of us here. Down to me, I'm responsible for the job, so I should have checked, but I didn't. So it's about putting it right, like I say. And we noticed these walls are 20 mil out. So we wanted to double check everything. We pun the line, from one end to the other end of the build, 100 million, measured it, plate's fine. 20 mil out of level in the middle. So I need to get that wall back in place. So put props up, timbers across, timbers up, supported the roof. I put a ratchet from the top of the stud wall down to a piece of timber, and I fixed that between or over 3 joists, and I pulled that tight just to take the bounce out. I've got a reciprocating blade, metal blade, went through all the bottom of the feet, took out all of the nails, ratcheted up as tight as I can, went behind the build and put little wedges in, and tacked them gently until I got it where I wanted, then fixed it in place. Quite simple really. Just need a bit of time and effort. Now you can leave it, but why? If you make mistakes, you put them right, the money follows. Do what's right, because it does catch up. So everything is doable, everything you can get over. Any better ways, I would like to know. This channel is about supporting and helping people. So please subscribe to the channel. Press the like button, help the algorithms, much appreciated. And any questions, just let me know. Cheers.